For sure.
Excel.
That record.
Because you like it. I think it was the best part of that course. I really like that.
Excel?
That what we did last time.
You're going to have a lot more, so good.
I think it's really, I think it's
Do you
really.
remember which quiz it was? This one here, the primer?
Yeah.
There's one here. Oh, yes. This one I know you can do it on.
Well, but when I grabbed it and I entered it in, I got it all in one cell.
That's okay. I'll show you how to deal with that. So I'll record this for you guys in case you ever need this skill in Excel. It's when you grab data from a PDF or from a Word document online. I'm having a hard time grabbing it. Let me try it again. I'll just try that. Copy it. Grab it in Excel. It was made in Excel, so it shouldn't be a problem. So I grab it, I paste it. Yep, and that happens. Let me see if I can just get rid of all this first. Oh, delete maybe. I didn't like that, did it?
Clear content.
There we go.
I did this
Oh,
one.
got some of it. There we go.
I did this one now.
Yep, that's okay. So right now, mine pasted it as a single line, which
Well,
it sounds like yours didn't.
Now wait, no, it didn't. And if you have it in a single line, now you can sort and filter.
Well, mine actually, I took a lie. I lied. They're not a single line. They're individual cells.
Yeah, but if it's in a single line, you can now highlight it.
Well, now I can do whatever I want to do with
Sort
it.
and
That's what
filter.
you want, is you want them in individual cells. I wanted to answer your question. Let me see if I can
Because I
find
don't
the
know
data
how you
set
did
real
that,
quick.
because I didn't,
Real quick says,
mine didn't do that.
let's see what I come up with. How's this one? No, that's I need a PDF. PDF. Common data set, PDF. Let's just see if there's some numbers on it. Oh, there's some stuff on this. Let's see if this works. Okay, so I'm gonna grab just that. Well, we'll see what happens here. Copy it. Paste it. Okay, so let's see what happened with this. No, that didn't work. My answer started with it depends, because it really depends on how the document was PDF'd. Sometimes what will happen is you'll grab the data and it'll drop it all into one cell like you described. If that happens, what I can do is I can find a data set and record it for you, record a video for you. I can't find one
Okay,
right
that's
now.
not, no.
But what you would do is you go up to data, this data tab up here. See that data tab?
Oh, yeah.
Click on that. Highlight what you're interested in. Then go text to columns.
Oh, no kidding.
And then the delimited is what you want. See right now it's got it all set up like this.
Right.
You go to next, and then you pick the character that separates them. Very often what you have is you have numbers separated by spaces. So you've got 12, space 30, space blah, space blah, space blah, but it's all in one cell. And then when you hit space, and you can leave tab check too, and then you hit finish, it'll take all the data and drop it into individual cells in columns.
That's cool.
And which is totally awesome. And I wish, what I'll do at the break, I'll find a data set that I can, and it depends on how the document is formed. I'm surprised that mine's dropping in like it's dropping. Maybe I'll just do a part of it. You know what's going on? Let me do a part of it.
See, I grabbed the chart.
Just this.
Right.
I'm trying to, but it won't let me do it for whatever reason. I wonder if there's a setting that I'm not doing it. Because it's everything from the top down, you know?
Because in the chart, if it went in like that,
Yeah.
you can't sort and filter because it won't.
Because it's not the proper format.
Right.
Yeah, remind me when we take our 5,
Right.
I'll find a data set and walk you through it and record it again. And I'll delete this video because
But
it's
that
not
was
very
a cool
helpful.
trick.
Yeah, it is a very, very, very helpful trick to have
Can't you
under your belt. Yeah,
Can't you just go into one column and type in a bunch of random numbers and then make your own random
I
data?
could do that. I'll do it at the break. Yes. But I want to show you the copy pasting thing. The copy pasting thing, because the idea is you're going to use it from something you've gotten
Yeah, well, I'm
online.
saying since it's not working for you right
You
now.
could, but I would have, that whole copy paste thing, it's amazing how people don't know how to do that.
Copy paste?
It's amazing. You can't do it effectively. Can't do it properly. Or don't know that there's limitations to it when you're using a PDF document. If a PDF, for example, is scanned in and highlighted, you can't copy. I mean, it's a picture then. It's no longer data, it's a picture. So it depends on how it was converted to a PDF, and it changes the nuances. So I'd actually rather show the copy paste just because we take things for granted sometimes. This is why I was so sad when COCC, actually the entire state of Oregon, stopped requiring CIS 120 as part of the AAOT degree. And my students rejoiced, yay, one less class. And I'm thinking, no, we are sending these kids into the world where they have to use computers, and we're taking the one course that forces them to learn about it away. And the legislators said, yes, but they have smartphones. I'm like, yes, they can check their Facebook account. But they can't copy and paste, and they can't create a spreadsheet, and they can't make a PowerPoint, they don't know how to edit in Word, they don't know how to copy folders. But they can text. Yes, but they can't do anything useful. Not that testing is not useful, it can be very useful. Trying to find my wife at a rock concert. Very, very useful. But it doesn't help us balance the budget, you know, so that's what's wrong with Congress. They're all texting. I knew it was something like that.
Figured it out.
I figured it out. It's that wiener guy from New York. Anyway. So anyway, is it a joke, kids? Is it a joke? Quizzes were good though? Got a primer quiz, got a not primer quiz. Apologies, the CDC site apparently is not updating any more material. I didn't realize that. You can look at the information you needed, but it looks like quite a bit is going on with, like, national parks are shut down. There's some climbers getting fined, if not arrested, for climbing in Yosemite because they're like, the hell with you, we're going all cap. Yes, but if you get stuck up there, YOSAR's not going to come get you.
Forest Service too.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, and it's tricky. It's tricky. So I recommend we all stop paying our taxes for a while.
I've been fishing also.
Yeah, that'll work.
That'll work. If we can get everybody to do it, it would work great. We won't though. Okay. So you shut this down. I'll find a good data set for us to break. Let me stop again. You seem to upload faster when you break them into pieces.